Unleash your inner child with the Dexibio Unstuffed Animal Storage Beanbag Chair Cover. This adorable 200 centimeters giant cat plush is more than just a cuddly companion. It's a comfy, customizable seating solution perfect for kids and adults alike. Imagine sinking into its super soft plush embrace after a long day. Use it as a comfy chair, a relaxing lounger, or even a unique piece of home decor. Simply fill it with approximately 38 to 45 pounds of PP cotton, sold separately, and transform this giant cat cover into the ultimate relaxation station. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. But it's not just about comfort. This giant beanbag cat adds a playful touch to any room. Bedroom, playroom, living room, you name it. Its charming design is sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. Don't miss out on this incredibly fun and functional addition to your home. Visit our product page now and order your Dexibio Unstuffed Animal Beanbag Chair Cover today.